And now the announcement you've all been waiting for with the Xbox refresh. Even though it's already been leaked, but things happen, but the show must go on. And here it is, the new Xbox Series X refresh. And yes, it's all going to be digital. I'm sorry. I'll make it up to you. We'll throw in a disc drive whenever we can.
It's a vlog.
Wow, that's a bit of a big leak. Sorry for my voice, by the way. I got a bit of a nasty cough is another thing. But anyways, the show must go on is another thing. Anyways, but yeah, that Xbox leak, however, it is quite big, I should say. Loads of info from now until 2028. And honestly to say, I think I'd rather stick with my Xbox Series S more than anything, because I think it's a selling, because they did statement, oh, it's a really good selling console, which I hopefully, fingers crossed, that all developers will support that console, because I would like to keep that for the long run than it is. I might get a Series X, the disk space one, but anyways, leaks are leaks at the end of the day, and I hope Microsoft does well in future. I'll just quickly mention, since I'm an Xbox user at the end of the day, then it's used my Xbox every single day is another thing. Anyways, hi, I'm Steam, welcome to TT Films. It's a vlog, and we're going to go straight into the vlog. Again, sorry for the minor voice, I got a bit of a croaky, nasty cough, which I'm sorry in advance, things happen. So if I do cough, I can't help it. Well, in my voice, which I hope doesn't sound irritating, but I try my very best. I wanted to do a vlog because I want to catch up with you guys, because I've been on a vlog hiatus, and now I'm back, and I've got quite a number of things to say. Even though just recently, if you may saw my recent videos, then it's Yu-Gi-Oh! Is another thing, because I've been doing quite a few Yu-Gi-Oh! Stuff lately. I pulled a certain card, and it is golden, and that alone is like a £40 card, and I was thinking of maybe selling it, because of Krulozov was nice enough to sell it for me, because I don't do eBay and all that shenanigans, and I'm going to put that towards a PC case. Now I bet you're wondering why, because basically I am currently working on, I'll quickly show you, I'm currently working on some funds for the PC, and the PC funds are going on quite well, because of my PC is almost 4 years old, I can't remember, I think it's 4 years old if I recall. Anyways, but yeah, it's been a long time since I had that PC, even though it's a pre-built PC, and it lags, struggles a little bit on certain things. So yeah, I'm due for a new PC. So yeah, we got whatever funds so far. I'm going to use that particular Yu-Gi-Oh! Card to sell, hopefully. It might be a bit of a slow sell, towards a PC case. There's like 50 odd pounds on Amazon, because I could easily just order that. And then my friend Krulozov will get whatever parts, and then it'll come over 1 year next year. And, well, I'm not saying 1 year, I mean one point next year, comes over, as he does, because he only comes over twice per year, and builds the PC for me. So yay. Anyways, so yeah, just what I'll mention about that, then is, we'll mention about something about Krulozov in a bit, because he just recently visited, which is quite nice. If you may have saw my video yesterday, that most people I won't watch yet, but do watch it, it's quite good. Then it's car booting in general, because of I recently got a new gaming chair for £5. Yes, £5. Even though it's in good nick, it does have some minor wear and tear, but it's good enough. And basically there is just like an armchair thing where it's like snipped off a little bit, because it was quite dark when we got it, and luckily it was quite nice, because someone who I know throughout this past year, because I do bump into certain people and say, hello, I'm Stephen, I'm not a reseller, I just like keeping things, and it was very nice to drop this off, that it is dragging it home. So I'd like to thank you, if you are watching, thank you again for dropping this off for me, and they're showcasing my gaming room, so people know that I do play for keeps. So I do tend to resell now and again, but I don't do it very often, is the word I'm saying. But it's so, like, quite premium. I should say it can do this. Can it do this? Yes, it can do this. Quite far back, I should say. But I don't know how much these chairs go for, because this is a GT Force one. But anyways, you get what I mean. So it is quite premium for a £5 chair, that's for sure. So yeah, it's got like a chip on the arm here, but I use these arm pads anyway. So yeah, it does the job either way. Compared to my other one, because I will keep the other one, of course, because you saw Cruel Soft utilising it in my duel with him just recently, a Yu-Gi-Oh duel, that it is in visiting in general, because he visited this past week, which is quite nice, because I did mention quite briefly on my last vlog that he was going to visit, and he has visited and been and gone, and we had a really nice weekend that weekend. We did some trading, then it is, also trading is the word. I buy him some things, I get him some things, we exchange gifts and all that. Potato is doing stuff for one another, because we are the best friends ever. It's meant to be the best day ever from SpongeBob being the best friends ever. Anyways, then it is going to the car booting, because the car booting has been really lacking a bit. Because of the weather that's been happening recently, and it's just not been great. It's been windy, wet, etc. And me and Krilos managed to go to a car boot, and there was not much for myself, but Krilo was nice enough to get some tools for his bike projects, and also he ended up picking up, some vintage Pokemon stuff that I used to have as a kid, not like these 3D printed ones that Krilo made in general, but I do like these ones compared to the one, because I don't do smallish figures. It's all different topic. Even I did pick up something which I'll mention about in a bit. He managed to pick up some nice vintage Pokemon stuff, because they go for whatever prices, and there was this lady that sent like a box full of them, and they go for quite a bit, depends on various Pokemons. And I had a few of them in my childhood, but I kind of lost them, sadly. But I don't do smallish figures anyways. It's all different topic, because you can tell by my gaming ring I do biggest figures. Even you can barely see right there, very, very small, so tiny, but I'll display an image anyways, as I do. I picked up a Fox McCloud for £1. £1. It's funny, because I was just wondering because I was picking up something from the Facebook Marketplace, which I'll showcase in a bit. But when I was out, stumbled across this, there was some other Nintendo related stuff, but the basic like Mario's and all that. But it's very uncommon to see a Fox McCloud figure for like £1, and I had to have it. So it's right there. It's very small. You can't barely tell in my collection, because I have whatever Nintendo related stuff. Nintendo. And yeah, £1 is £1. It was like a 2015 figure. It's lost its tail though, which kind of stinks really, but hey, it's a nice figure. It's articulated as well, which is good as well. Then here's what I've been picking up lately. Bad to cough then, but I don't want one or two. Anyways, so I picked up this hoodie from the Facebook Marketplace, which is Call of Duty 3 Hardened Edition. Now, this lady was selling it, was listed for quite some time now, and I just stumbled across it, knowing me, when I look up on Facebook feeds and all that, and I just stumbled across this for like £5. Now, technically, I would trade it in though for because it goes to £13 trade-in. That is, this alone costs like £20 in CEX. But I'm unsure about not just a nice it came with a sleeve, even though the sleeve is in alright condition. But I mean, like, I'm unsure about the disc. Now, knowing the disc situation, that is the last time I traded in this lady in C, it comes with the journal, because the most important thing is if it comes with the journal, it's tradable. But I'm unsure about the discs though, because of you know, CEX can tend to be a bit picky. It might be my luck, but you can see, oh, look at that, look at them scratches, look. You can see it's got some really bad scratches there. But again, no, I'm not so sure if they'll take it in, because you can't be able to switch the disc, because this is a different disc compared to the original, because I do have a normal copy of Modern Warfare 3. And yeah, it's just one of them things. So I might play my cards right and maybe get a trade in for that. But I don't know to keep it though, because they go for like £20 in CEX, all different type. I do own the Modern Warfare 2's Hardened Edition, funny which, ever since I got that since launch. You know, good old Modern Warfare 2. And that is gaming in general, because of I just got around to pre-ordering Mario Wonder in Curry's, not to be confused by Curry's as in like Curry and Cola, because it is a Friday after all. But what I'm trying to say is I did pre-ordered Mario Wonder just recently, because they're doing like a big discount, like a 25% discount, that is paying it for £50. What would you rather have? Pay it for £50 or pay it for like 33-ish pounds? I'd rather go with that. Because just today I discovered that the new WarioWare game is going to get a discount code as well. So I'm like, but is it cheaper than Smith's? Luckily it is. So I might have to put my pre-order down when it comes to getting both Wario and Mario from Curry's. Well, then again, no, if I'm paying, because there's a bit of a predicament I thought I'd quickly mention. When I was pre-ordering Mario Wonder, when I last pre-ordered a Switch game, it was in Curry's again with a code, and Curry's have been really doing it with these codes lately to convince people to get them cheaper. And I went to my local store, my local Curry's, to get Everybody Want to Switch. That was my last Switch game that I pre-ordered from Curry's with the codes, with a code I should say. And for some reason they couldn't like pre-order Mario Wonder in store, so I had to literally go home and do it at home. But luckily though, there were gift card payment methods to be able to pay it off, so because I don't like to use my credit card details online. So I managed to put my pre-order down, so that's job's a good one. Didn't have to pay for it via credit cards and all that, and I can get it delivered straight to my home as soon as it's launched though, even though I will be doing a vlog that day, as well as Mario comes out that day, so I'll be doing 2 videos that day for next Friday. Oh joy. No gameplay though, sadly, because I'm still a bit iffy with Nintendo and YouTube. I will stream it though, maybe, who knows, we'll see on that. But yeah, it is October, and currently October is my first vlog coming back from a hiatus, and yeah. I was just about to cough then. I'll have to sip of my cola. Hopefully that'll be a bit better. Anyways, but yeah, it's currently October. Looking forward to the spooky, scary things that's doing whatever for Halloween this year, because it's on a Tuesday. This Halloween is. And yeah, just doing whatever for the spooky season, because I know people love their spooky seasons, so doing whatever for their spooky seasons. I'm not much of a scary, scary person. I don't do scary stuff sometimes. Sad to say, because I easily get jump scared on most things. But still, however, I still got look forward to stuff to do on October, because Forza will be coming out next week, even though people already got blooming early. I hate when people get early access to video games. Why companies do that? Just to pay a certain fee, just to play it early. Anyways, so yeah, Forza Motorsport will be coming out next week. That's free on my Xbox Game Pass subscription. I'll have it free on my Game Pass subscription more than anything. Then Mario Wonder will be happening next Friday, and then it is doing whatever for around this October, because of I've got some vlogs planned for this October. Then it's doing whatever for these vlogs, I should say. But yeah, it was a nice catch up either way. I'd rather wrap this up either way before I really get into tangent now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog nonetheless. Sorry again for the croaky voice, and here's me coming up with a, not saying a flu is the word, it's just that as soon as yesterday while I was editing that Yu-Gi-Oh video, which do check that out please, I really do appreciate it, that I've been doing this past week. I've had a bit of a busy week, you know, editing that and etc. And yeah, I just end up, while I was editing yesterday, I ended up getting this croaky cough. I coughed quite a number of times yesterday, but hopefully I don't cough that much while I go out. Out is another thing when I see my mum this Friday, because I tried to see my mum every single Friday after doing a vlog now, because it's hard to explain, but Krula knows what I'm talking about. It does to see my mum every Friday now, at the moment. Anyways, I really ramble on too much, anyways, I'll leave it at that now. Do not forget to follow up on my social medias and what I'm up to. Hope you enjoy this vlog and watch the understanding. Anyways, I better go now. See you from Steety Films.